Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's this video is actually not planned. Yeah, I did not plan to shoot this video today. Yeah, but I have a very quick information for you guys. Yeah, I'm super excited. So I woke up this morning to a good news. Yeah, so two of my students just got a positive response from I supervisor. Yes guys, I'm super excited, and I'm gonna be sharing it on the screen. Yes, I'm gonna be sharing it to you guys so that you can see on the screen. I'm super excited. And now and the information I would like to pass across, guys, I'm going to make sure this response stay much longer on the screen so that I can read very well. And yes guys, just don't mind my face, guys. I just want you to concentrate on the information I have to tell you guys, because I'm currently at work. Yes, I'm currently at work now, and I'm still in bed. Let me see that. Yeah, so guys, like I was saying the other time, so I want you to pay attention to the details of this email. For Nigerian applicants, you know that we don't need an English proficiency exam to apply for schools in Canada. It is known because our first language is English. So in most cases, we don't need to write IELTS before you can apply. But guys, I notice a current trend now, and the trend is, from the email you can see that this supervisor strongly recommend that this lady writes an English proficiency exam just for her to get admission. So I'm still gonna say, because lately again, one of my students couldn't get an admission. He couldn't get his admission because of this same reason. And again, somebody also reached out to me on my Instagram DM. I'm also gonna post this detail on the screen so that you guys can see. He reached out to me asking me the same question. So basically, they're also requesting for an English exam. So guys, one thing is, although getting a reference letter from your school stating that you were taught in English is not more enough. Yeah, it is not more enough. So now what you need to do, if it is possible, you need to write IELTS academics and not general. If you are coming to study in Canada or study in any other country, and they require English exam, yes, you are going to write IELTS academics and not general. General is basically for immigration purpose. Yeah, so back to what I'm saying. The reason being that this letter, if you get the letter from your registrar, this letter is not more enough, because there are so many people applying for admission all over the world, and there are also some people that they are having this result already, which makes them more qualified than you. So they are going to consider them before they can consider you. So it is now strongly recommended that you get an English exam to apply for admission. So you can just book this exam, and it is not compulsory you have a very high score. They just want to know, they just want to see that yes, you are capable to at least pass this exam. So guys, I'm super excited, and to those that got these responses, congratulations to you. I'm super excited, guys. You wouldn't believe this lady, because she told me, this lady reached out to this supervisor yesterday night, just yesterday night, guys. She reached out to this supervisor yesterday night, and the response came in this morning, guys. I've been super happy since morning. And yes guys, don't forget about this. And to everyone out there, if you're interested to make additional income, if you're interested to make a passive income, there's an opportunity for you. We are currently looking for people to actually promote our products, I mean this course. So if you're interested in earning additional income to what you're currently earning, yeah, you can send me an email. Yeah, so we are currently looking for an affiliate. That's just basic. That's basic meaning of the whole story I've been saying. We are currently looking for an affiliate. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate for this product or for this course, you can send me an email. Yeah, and we can start from there. This is a very good opportunity for you to earn an additional income stream and create a new income stream for yourself rather. Lastly, I would like to say this: if you are currently in Canada and you are in Quebec, you are based in Quebec City or Montreal to be precise, please send me an email. I currently have a job recommendation for you. If you're interested to work for the government, or you're interested in any government job, so you can send me an email. Yeah, if you are currently, like I said earlier, if you are currently, you must be in Canada and you must be in Quebec City, or you must be in Montreal. Any one of the two, just send me an email and we'll start from there. Yeah, so guys, I'm super excited, and I know that more results will be coming in, guys. This is a very good opportunity for you to act fast, because it is admission season, and from the email you can also see that admission is fast, the deadline is fast approaching. So they strongly recommend everyone to apply as soon as possible. So if you are looking forward to resuming next year, which is 2021, this is the right time for you to take an action. I don't know what else to say. Like, and again, guys, I'm still gonna post the words of this lady's funding. Yeah, so this girl, I'm gonna post the word of her funding on the screen for you guys to see. She's gonna be receiving $2,200. Just imagine, guys, just with how much, with $52 alone, she was able to get a funding worth of $2,200. I'm just super excited for her. I'm super excited for the fact that she took the bold step, and she tried to invest in her life, and she got the results she's looking for. So what more can you ask for, guys? What more can you ask for? So I wouldn't say more than that. Yeah, I'm also seeing that the result is speaking on my behalf, and yeah, I'm super excited. Like I said earlier, this video was not planned, and I need to go back to work because I'm currently at work. I'll be posting a usual video for you guys to see. I have a special package for you that I'm going to be teaching you everything. Like, I'm going to be taking you about Canada immigration step by step. Yeah, so guys, this is just the information I have for you guys. So to recap about the affiliate program, we currently have an affiliate program open. So if you're interested in becoming an affiliate for this product, you have the opportunity to promote our product, and for every sales you make, you're going to earn 50% commission. So take for example, if this course is $100 or $200, when you make a sales, you're gonna earn half of it, which is $50 or $100 depending on the course. So if you're interested in an additional stream of income, you can send me an email and we're gonna start from there. So guys, yeah, thank you so much, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I need to return back to work. Take care.